A teenager who allegedly stabbed and killed a schoolmate in Alexandra last week is back in court today. His case has been moved to the Child Justice Court. Silindelo Masikane is covering the story for us, and she joins us now for an update. Slee, good morning to you. What can you tell us about this court appearance today?
Well, of course, what we understand is that a 15-year-old will be appearing once more here at the Alexandra Magistrates Court in the Child Justice Court. And of course, because it is a case involving a minor, this will be in camera, meaning that we won't be allowed in court. And so we will be expecting updates from the National Prosecuting Authority in terms of what transpired inside court today. We know that last week, the 15-year-old made their first appearance where an inquest docket was then opened subsequently by the police. And we know, of course, that this matter involves the death of a 16-year-old, which really shocked not only the Gauteng Education Department but the community here in Alexandra, that this stabbing took place at school. At Pulusho, which is just a couple of meters away from the Magistrates Court. And we know that this issue, according to the Education Department, the details are really still quite sketchy at this point. When the MEC Panyaza Lucifi went to the school following the stabbing, he said that he spent an hour and a half with the management of the school and was still no clearer as to why the stabbing occurred and the details around it, but saying that there are indications that it is gangsterism related and that the suspect in the matter is part of a gang. Our colleague Lindo Gutlekulu did compile quite an extensive report last week, speaking to the ward councillor and community members around the school, as well as the family of the deceased, which of course is reeling from shock and heartbreak, but the community is saying that it seems the suspect was part of a gang. The ward councillor giving indications around a particular shack that was being rented by a number of minors. That shack has been destroyed by the community, and that in that particular shack is where the suspect resided with a number of other minors who are part of this particular gang. So those are the details that we have so far. And we are expecting the second appearance to take place today.
All right, of course, we'll be sure to get those updates as soon as they're available from you, Slee, throughout the entire day. Silindelo Masikane outside the Alexandra Magistrates Court.